Hello everyone, let's try to create this presentation slide. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's really easy to make, as you can see, but let's go and try to create it. At first, we need to add our picture. We have our picture in the background. You can add it from here, insert. You have your picture. Then we need to create these two shadow things. How we create them? It's really easy. We create two rectangle. Just one is good, but I'm going for two. And go to shape, and the color is going to be black, but it's gradient black. And the gradient black, you are going to use it like this by defining the transparency, make this effect like this. For example, I reduce the transparency here for making the picture more visible, or reduce it to make it less visible. Okay, we have the transparency now. Also, what I want to do, I want to create a copy of that and then flip it, then select both of them and then set the shape outline to none. Now the first slide has been created. Now we need to add the text. We copy the text here and copy the slide. We put out the shadows till here and this thing till here. Just get a little haze, and for here I put it down and I reduce it in size to 1 and set it back here. Then set the transition to morph and increase the time to 4. Now let the magic begins. If you like my content, don't forget to like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the comments. I will be there and I will help you. Have a nice time. Until then.